So okay, in this video we'll be talking about the subdomains and finding those subdomains. These subdomains are very important. First I will explain what is a subdomain. You can see here there is a google.com. So .com is a top level domain. So like it's like .com, .co.uk, etc. So .in, etc. So like those domains you can see here, .com, .net, .in, etc. Those are called top level domains. Under those domains we have the Google. So Google is a company that have registered for this under the top level domain .com, and here you can see www.google.com. so this www is the subdomain for this google.com. And here if you visit this page, I have already visited this page, and you can see here I can search for the search term and it will show me the results. Okay, this is the subdomain www.google.com. so the why it is important to find the subdomains is, so generally when you find any websites, any company websites, they may have some testing subdomains. So first they before pushing the website into production, they will have some sample website like the testing subdomain like dev.website.com or testwebsite.com, etc. so those subdomains can have some vulnerabilities, or also like direct information disclosure, or like default credentials. So those can lead to access to the database, or you can also get the code execution. So that's why finding the subdomains is very important. So I will show you secris subdomains word list. So this is the word list. You need to you can go to this GitHub repository, and here you can see bunch of subdomains. So all you need to do is you need to brute force at the position this subdomain .website.com. so let's go and do this. So I have 4 word lists I have downloaded, and for now I am going to use this subdomains 1000.txt. so it contains few subdomains, and we are going to use a tool called FUF. So this FUF is like a wfuzz. You can brute force even the login pages. So the usage is FUF -w word list. You need to specify the word list, and we are going to specify the subdomains word list, and U for URL, and this is the matching filter, and here you can see the matching filters. So matching options and filter options. So the match for the status code like 200, then you can see only those matching options. So it's like a filtering. And matching lines, matching regular expressions. If you have any keywords in the response to filter out, you can use MR, and MS response size, and MW is amount of words in response. So these are all the conditions if you want to match, and if you want to filter, you can use this F. So that's what we are going to do. FUF -u specify the URL. I am going to use the tryhackme.com. So this is the tryhackme.com is a website where you can practice the cybersecurity stuff, and what you can do is you can specify the fuzz.tryhackme.com. so we know the tryhackme.com is a main domain, and anything will be like fuzz.tryhackme.com. so this FUF will take the every word in the word list and will replace in the place of this fuzz and send the request, and now specify the word list subdomains 1000.txt, and now hit enter, and you can see here we have some size 0. so what you can do is first let's go to that admin.tryhackme.com. so you can see this is some redirection. Now so remote.tryhackme.com. So you can see we got some remote.reactme.com. Let's try some admin. So invalid login. So okay, you can get pretty much most of the subdomains. So for this word list we have got some like assets.reactme.com and store.reactme.com. We already know the store.reactme.com. So we got some access denied. Okay, so okay, when you are trying the bug bounties, make sure you have checked this admin and remote and assets, so you can find some juicy information, or you can find any other vulnerabilities in the subdomains.